What's this? You after your lamb chop? Yes. What are you gonna do with your lamb chop? You gonna get your lamb chop? Get your lamb chop. Shake your lamb chop. Shake your lamb chop. Poor lamb chop. Eh? Lamb chop sure takes a beating. We love our lamb chop. What? I'm just gonna sit over here. You go get your lamb chop. You're done. You're done? What are you doing? Oh! Are you going crazy? Go get your lamb chop. Get your lamb chop. Not the blankie. Okay, here, I'll get you your other toy. It's your other toy that you could get. There's so many. Get another toy. What about this one? What about this one, girl? That a girl. What are you doing with them?